Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to log into your ChatGPT account. For that, make sure to go to your Google Chrome or you can use any of the browser of your choice. So I'm going to tap on Chrome. You can also do the same. Now tap on the search or type web address option and then enter here chat.openai.com. As you do this, you will get onto the first section of ChatGPT where you'll be welcome to either get logged in or create a new account. Since we are trying to get logged into our ChatGPT account, I'm going to tap on login option. You can also do the same. So here, you can either continue with Google, continue with your Microsoft account, and even continue with Apple. I'm going to tap on email address and then enter the particular email address of my choice. You can do the same. Alright, so when you've done it, what you can do is tap on continue option. Now you need to enter your password connected to this particular account. So I'm going to tap on it and then enter the password. You can also do the same. When you're done filling both, tap on continue option. So here you can see that you enter the section of the new chat option, that is the very first page of your ChatGPT account. So this is how you do it, and to confirm that it's your own account, you need to go to this hamburger icon on the top left corner, and on the bottom you can see this is my particular email address, and now I can start a new chat over here. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.